All right, I know what it's like to look at a great landscape that you think will make a great painting, and then you take a photo of it, you get back to your studio, and then you're like, I don't know where to go from here. I don't know where to start. Well, Paint Week will help you connect those dots. And Paint Week actually starts today, November the 6th. I only do about 2 paint weeks an entire year, so you really don't want to miss this. Currently, there's over 3,000 people signed up for Paint Week. If you want to sign up, the link to do so is in the description of this video. I actually released the first video lessons and assignment today. I will release the second section and lessons on Wednesday. And none of these lessons and tutorials are live, so you can go through them on your own time and at your own pace. But what is going to be live is the Q&A and critique session on Saturday. Yes, I'm doing a live Q&A and critique session. I've never done anything live before. I've never done like a live painting thing online. I've never done a live Q&A. So this is the first time I'm ever doing a live Q&A. So if you got questions that you've been wanting to ask me, or if you want the opportunity to possibly have me critique your painting live, then you need to sign up for Paint Week. And Paint Week is completely free. And this Paint Week, I'm specifically breaking down how I paint landscapes. I'm walking through my process step by step, from choosing a photo to cropping it, figuring out the composition, blocking it in, all the way to a final painting. So if you're somebody that gets overwhelmed by landscapes, you just look at it and it's just so hard for you to simplify it and to organize all the details and all the chaos and actually make a good painting, then Paint Week is definitely for you. Even if you don't paint landscapes, I highly recommend signing up for Paint Week, because I just think it is extremely important for painters to paint different subject matter. I definitely would not be where I am now if I only painted landscapes or only painted portraits. I feel definitely when I paint landscapes for a while, it really helps my skill of simplifying, because you really have to simplify things in landscapes. So when I go to portraits, I feel like I see them differently and I can simplify them a lot easier. And vice versa, going back, doing portraits requires a lot of very good specific drawing skills. So after I've done portraits for a while, I'll come back to landscapes and they're just so easy to draw in. So if you don't paint landscapes that much, please check out Paint Week. I think you will still get a lot out of it. Now, I'll be working in oils, but if you work in acrylics, it's completely fine. Last Paint Week, we had a bunch of people go through with acrylics and still learned a whole bunch. Now, at the very least, I would hope that Paint Week would just give you some good momentum. I feel like that's so important for painters, to gain momentum. And sometimes, we get in slumps, or we don't know what to paint, or we haven't painted for a while, and we just kind of need a quick win to get things moving and gain some momentum. And that's what Paint Week is designed to do. It's designed to get you to go painting and to get some quick wins and to have some fun and to paint something that you're proud of. So again, if you want to sign up, the link to that is in the description of this video. It just started today on November the 6th. So you haven't missed anything yet. You can still sign up. You can still get the lessons. Going to be releasing more lessons on Wednesday, and then Saturday, the live Q&A, which I'm kind of scared about doing. I've never done a live Q&A before, so it's going to be a whole lot of fun. I want to see you there. I'm Chris Fornatero, here telling you to seriously go get painting.